Hi, today I'm going to show you how to change the column width and the rows height in WPS Spreadsheet. So for example, if we want to modify the width of the columns, we need to select which column we want to edit. So for example, I select here column B and I click right mouse button on it. After that, we will see here a lot of really useful settings. One of them is column width. We need to select this option. And now we will be able to type here specific column width which we want to use. For example, I type here 20 and I click OK button. After that, it will be modified to this width. But if you want to change the row height, you need to select the row which you want to edit. For example, I select here row number 3 and then I click right mouse button here. And here we have something like row height. We need to open these settings and now I need to type here a new row height. For example, I type here 20. Then I click OK button and how you see the row height has been successfully changed to this height. Of course, in this way you can modify more rows. For example, I will select here maybe all rows. I click right mouse button here, I go to row height and for example I type here 100. Then I click OK button and how you see it has been successfully changed. So it is how it works. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.